Hey everybody, PourMan here, circling the globe, stalking it actually, to bring you the most exotic, best tasting drinks from all over the world. Today we're in San Diego, California, and we are at the WESTIN at the 2020. And my man Matt is going to teach you how to make a, what are we making today?
We're going to be making the black smoke.
Black smoke.
Blackberries, MEZCAL, lime juice, and a little flaming garnish.
And I think it's about time we got started with that. So Matt, what do you say? Take it away, my friend.
All right. Start with ice in the tin. We're going to do 3 or 4 blackberries, considering how dark you like it. And then we are going to dry shake.
You got style too in the flip too.
So we will go with 2 ounces of MEZCAL.
More is better. PourMan likes a strong drinks.
And then we're going to do an ounce of lime juice.
Fresh squeeze, of course.
Yes, sir. Also, you need to get a little agave, add some sugar. About a ½ ounce. And then reshake. And then we dump the guts. And then for the best part, got a little rosemary here. And get it broken up. From the torch.
Love it.
And one more. Got a lime.
That is awesome.
That is black smoke.
That is a black smoke here at the 2020, here at the WESTIN in San Diego, California. I can't wait to try it. Oh, you are gonna love this. That is excellent, my man. All right, so to get the recipe, go to Pourmanmike.com. And if you push this button right here, you'll instantly become a Pour Minion, which gives you a head of the line speed pass for each and every new PourMan adventure. So, until next time, you've heard this before. Pour well, pour often. PourMan. We'll see you around.